Now you put your back in the floor and open. When you can put your hand to your back is alright. Okay. Release your hands and put it back in the ground. And open hands here. One more time in the floor. Okay, stay in the floor. You breathe in and you breathe out. You put your pelvis to the ceiling. Up, 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 up. As high as you can. Up. And breathe. Go on. Higher, higher, higher. Stay there. Okay. Now you come on your toes. And your arms go in the air. Okay, breathe. Don't forget to breathe. Okay, put your high heels down and your toes come from the floor. Put your arms beside you. Toes to the floor. Okay, put your feet up, 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 higher, higher, higher. And breathe. 4, 3, 2. Okay, now vertebrae. Down, down, down. Relax. Knees to your chest and relax. Okay, your feet on the floor. Now feet and knees together. Your hands beside you. And your hand palms up. Neck in the floor. Okay, your back is in the floor. You breathe in when you breathe out. Up, 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 up. Stay high. Keep your knees together, but lower your right leg. And keep your knees together. Knees together. Okay. Watch me. Your knees to your chest. Out. And knees together. In. Out. Knees together. One more time. In, out, knees together, last time, in, out, knees together and stay, hands in the air, okay, breathe, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, put your arms beside you, bend your knee, stay up, breathe in when you breathe out, slowly down, and knees to your chest. Okay, the other side.